Alright everyone, I'm Chef Sutton. Usually I post pictures of the food I make on Instagram. But today, I want to try my first video ever. We're going to make tuna steak tacos with whatever I have in the kitchen. So the episode's called Cooking with Whatever You Have. Because, we're, in the middle of lockdown. Can't really go out and allow 2 people per store. I'm not going to stand in line for 3 hours. So I kind of mix match some of the stuff I have. So let's give it a try. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut some bacon. Because who the hell doesn't like bacon? If you don't like bacon, just leave me the hell alone. Put some bacon. Probably about a ½ inch thick here. Maybe an inch, I don't know. Who the hell knows? I didn't go to school for chemistry, so we'll figure it out, So I got some bacon. By the way, this is maple flavored bacon, so a little sweet. Gotta mix up a little bit. Get in there, get a nice pan, about medium heat right now. I'm gonna take that bacon, I'm gonna put it in the pan. Listen to that sizzle. Yeah, get your fingers in there, Your fingers in there, mix it all up a little bit. Grab your clean towel, a little soap on there. I'm gonna wipe our counter down. Nice. I'm gonna clean our knife, and I'm gonna put the knife in the sink, and then we're gonna wash our freaking hands. Alright, now I spent 3 minutes washing my hands, we're good to go. I'm gonna mix our bacon around, nice. Get it in there. Now, I'm gonna turn the heat up a little bit on there. There we go. Get it going. I'm gonna let that sit for a little bit. Get a little crispy. While that's cooking, we got the tuna steak right here. You see that? Yeah, amateur videos. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. I'm fucking trying. Alright. So in here I have a little garlic, pepper, sea salt, cumin, and chili powder. I'm gonna take a little bit, a couple pinches, put it on top of my tuna. Get in there, get a nice little season, flip this over. Get a nice little season. We're good there. Wipe our fingers, there's not be scumbags. We got this. Alright. So bacon's still cooking, we're good. Let's flip this over. Let our steak hang out for a second. Turn it on high heat. Now we're going to try to get the bacon nice and crispy. We're going to mix it around. Remember, it's maple flavored, so it's going to be a little on the sweeter side. Is what we want, because the tuna going to make it a little spicy, nothing too crazy. Mixing it up, we're good. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. The first of hopefully many. Next week, I'm going to spin some pizzas. But right now, I'm just trying to dial in, making the videos in the first place. I wish you could smell what I smell, but it's fantastic. Flip out bacon, take care of you, looking good. Alright, we're getting there. Halfway through with the bacon right now. So, while the bacon's cooking, I have to get this little flat pan going, nice and hot. About medium heat. we'll say. And I use a green chili olive oil. So, a little kick to it. Nice stuff I bought in Cali when I went last summer. Good stuff. And just pour a little bit in the pan. And mix that around a little bit. Nice warm pan. Once again, medium heat. Because the tuna, you really don't want to do more than, like, we'll say medium well. Some people say medium rare. Well, I'm not those people. Get that bacon mixed up. I'm going to take our tuna. I put it right in the pan. Get her going. Pan's at medium heat. Gonna go a little higher now. That's in the pan. There we go. We'll bounce back and forth. Get my bacon going. Bacon turned down to medium heat. Once you're getting a little crunch to it, you're getting a little crispy. It's probably a little tough to see right now. So we're getting a little crunch on there. Alright, so I want to keep my tuna on the spiciest side and my bacon on the sweetest side. So, how we doing out there? Good? You good? Alright. Sorry about the low quality video. First time doing this. Alright, so in the bacon, I have here some maple cream. Maple cream, a little spoonful there. I get a little of that. You can use maple syrup if you have it, but if you have brown sugar, you can always add that to it as well. Make it a little on the sweeter side. This is also good for breakfast stuff as well. We're going to turn this up now. We're going to turn the tuna on a nice high, get it cooking, get it catch up with our bacon. Bacon we keep on medium, we're going to let it cook, let it settle. Turn that down a little bit. Alright. Flip the bacon, we're good. Tuna's still hanging out. Mix around a little bit, get some of that heat. Get this turned up here. I'm going to turn this down to medium. Depending on your stove, some burners will work a little better than others. Let's switch it. Remember, first video, shit happens. So, cook that, get her going. Now you get to watch this cook. Yeah. Ooh, watch out for that bacon fat. Time for that bacon. Our bacon's basically done. You kind of see there. Nice little crunch to it. Nice little crunch. Some maple. We're going to shut that off for now. We're going to keep it on low. You're going to see me use my stove 400 fucking times, but that's what I do. That's good. And then high. Alright. Yeah. Use that pan. Don't be afraid. Alright, add a little more season to our tuna steak. There we go. And listen to a little reggae while we're hanging out. It sounds like me singing, but it's actually really not. It's close though. Alright. Let's flip our tuna now. Nice little sear. You see that right there? You see that? Nice little sear. Alright, gonna let her cook off a little bit. Yeah. Good sound. Alright. I'm gonna let that hang out. While that's hanging out, I want to pour a beer. I'll be right back. A little Bros from Proclamation. Gotta treat yourself right. It's about 47 degrees, rainy, kind of shitty outside. March, everybody's stuck in that fucking house. But you know what, together we're gonna figure this out. We're gonna cook some food. You know, we're gonna drink some fucking beers. Cheers, guys. Don't leave the house unless you have to. Unfortunately, I'm an essential worker. I don't really go that far, but I am. So, this is what I do on my time off. I cook. Nice little stir. See some fat coming off there. You know, I'm going to keep it like I said, around the mid-rate and medium. Another little flip. Our bacon's done, hanging out. Still staying low. That's there, that's there. There we are. Sizzle. Alright. Try to cook with tongs as much as you possibly can. Spatulas are alright, but that's how you burn the shell yourself when you're cooking stuff like this. So, another little stir. Turn high, you want to give it another, like, we'll say 30 seconds or so. Then we'll be good to go. Alright. So normally, when I make a tuna or tacos or swordfish or any type of seafood, I use a cabbage. Red and green cabbage. A little orange, a little lime, a little salt, pepper inside the mix. But I don't have that today. And like I said, I'm not trying to stay on site for 3 hours to buy that. So what I do have is a little lettuce, tomato, and scallion. Gonna put on the taco, call it a day. Hopefully the food itself speaks for itself. You know, there's a little heat right there, and maybe we're good to go. So now we're gonna build the taco. So keep that right there. Tongs away. A couple tortillas. Put them on the other side of the flat top. Alright. So we have that. Gonna wipe down my counter one more time. Nice little soapy towel here. Keep it neat, keep it clean. And I'm gonna put the tortillas, flip them around a little bit. Get a nice little crisp to them, nothing too crazy. So you know they're soft enough. That's here. Alright, the tortillas are off. Alright. We gotta take our tuna, put it on the cutting board, nice and clean. It's about medium. We're at the medium right there, as you can see. Alright, grab my knife. I'm gonna cut her up. Yeah. Medium, like I said. Alright, so then we're gonna take A little lettuce, tomato, scallion mix here. We're gonna put it on tortillas. I like to put this stuff on the bottom first. Well, it's just me. You do whatever the hell you want, but I like to do this first. And then take my tuna, go across the top. Show you try piece. Perfect. Alright, so now I have that going. Take a little, if I get too happy with the sriracha, I'm going to take some bacon. There's a little spice to the tuna. Got a little kick from the olive oil we use. Then we're going to have the sweet from the bacon. There's some sweet bacon. I have a little bacon left over. Hey Mike, what are you going to do with that? Well, you know what I'm going to tell you? I got some fries in the oven. Curly fries. I'm going to shut this off. Some cheddar cheese. Get rid of that. I'll take some of the rest of the bacon I have left over. And put it right on the fries. I'm going to put this right back in the oven now. Like a minute. Then we're good. Alright. So say I got a little spice for the tuna, a little sweet from the bacon, do a little sriracha, yeah. Good product placement right there. With my hand first, you're welcome. You know, wording with class. I don't want to get sued, please don't sue me. And just do a little squirt of sriracha, go right there, a little squirt there. Gotta clean our fingers because we're not scumbags and we'll wash our hands again. Before we do that, we take a sip of our beers. Cheers, guys. I hope you're enjoying the video so far. It's a little longer than I wanted it to be, but I hope still have your attention. If not, well, look at the fucking picture I post on Instagram. Now we have that going. The fries are all set. Just kidding, fries will be all set in a second. Alright, I'm gonna take that last piece. Fries, hang out. And this is gonna be my goddamn dinner. Lay myself down again. Get rid of that. Prop the tacos up a little bit. Then we're going to do a little overview of what do we have. Look at that. Looks good, huh? Do a little flip of the camera.